welcome you to the 360 Training Online Pre-Licensing course. As we begin, it's helpful to clearly define and understand the goals we share from the outset. Your goal is to pass the state insurance licensing exam. Our goal is to assist you in every possible way in reaching that objective. All right, what are we up against? Your state insurance regulators have prepared a content outline that specifically defines the subjects that will appear on your exam. One glance at the content outline will tell you that insurance is an enormously big subject. What the content outline does not tell you is the depth of understanding required in each subject. If you go to Amazon, you will find text of 300 to 500 pages on workers' comp insurance. Pouring over 500 pages to equip yourself to answer 2 to 3 questions would make no sense. It is our job to help you get to the appropriate depth on each exam topic. While some subjects are tested more stringently than others, the general rule is simple. Think shallow. Rather quickly, we think that your educational objective will become obvious: to learn a little about a lot. In most states, the number of scorable questions on the test is about 150. Why do I say scorable questions? Well, you might find that your exam is 160 or 165 questions in length, with 10 to 15 questions that don't count for you or against you. The testing companies call these pre-test questions. They are simply trying them out for usage on future tests. All right, let's assume that your test will be made up of 150 scorable questions. What do you have to score to pass? Well, state cut scores vary from 67% to 73%, but most are right at 70%. Let's give ourselves some wiggle room and shoot for 75%. That means with 113 correct answers, you've earned your license. Said another way, you can completely blow 37 questions and still win. Trying to make 100%, trying to be the valedictorian, trying to win a scholarship to Harvard can really make your life miserable. Don't do it. Within each chapter introduction, you will see a scoreboard pitting the you of you against the bad guys, Test Tech. The scoreboard will mark your progress in building your point total at the rate of 75% for you and 25% for the enemy, Test Tech. Your points and your confidence will build progressively with each chapter. We think you will enjoy our approach to insurance. The course is written in a crisp, conversational style that is user-friendly and specifically designed for you, the entry-level student. The best advice we can give you as you start your journey is to pay close attention to anything in boldface. Give special consideration to the key points at the end of the chapters, and do the study questions in the final exam without peeking at your notes. These quizzes are designed to help you decide if you're ready for the state exam, and you can't peek on the state exam. Most importantly, work at a comfortable speed. You don't have to finish the course in one weekend. If you miss something, go back and look at it again. That's one huge advantage of an online course. You can work at your speed, and no one will giggle if you repeat a section 3 or 4 times. Besides that, you can do it in your pajamas. With that, we've reached the point where we might pat you on the head and wish you good luck. But we both know that luck has very little to do with acquiring an insurance license. We've given you a track to run on, but you are the one who has to do the work. If you will put in the consistent effort, follow our suggestions, and refuse to quit when things get tough, you can reach your goal of obtaining your insurance license. All we can say then is, congratulations, good for you.